I really enjoy helping a client get from the beginning of where they started to understanding where they're going and be satisfied about it. My name is Clayton. I am a client advocate here at Junk Removal Authority. My interpretation of a client advocate role is that I'm here to help you by all means necessary. So I go to every department here at JRA to make sure that your account is being satisfied, to make sure that you're satisfied ultimately. And I make sure that we're both on the same page and that you're getting everything out of JRA that you need. We truly hear you when you say that you want somebody that you can talk to, that they're not just seeking the approval from the company, but they're seeking the approval from the actual individual, the business owner. No matter what, we're on your side because your success is our success. I enjoy customer service because you get to meet so many great different personalities. People aren't too far different than you think. We all have something that we can enjoy about one another. So I love discovering that in my clients. If I have the honor of being your client advocate, I am that person that is going to make sure that whatever it is going on and whatever that you need, I'm going to be stomping around these hallways and these rooms, making sure that it's getting done.